Praises to Yahawashim. Peace and safety to the hopefully elect.
Godspeed to the true Arkin.
Yeah, Godspeed to the true Arkin. Scattered across the four corners. All right. Scattered across the four corners. All right, like the scripture saying Isaiah 11. All right, from Egypt, Patros. All right.
Kush.
All right, that's more proof showing you that 12 tribe sign that you see displayed in front of these Israelite camps is idol. All right, and that's what we're doing it for the true Akim, man. All right, the hopefully elect. All right, we don't know who the elect is. All right, we don't know if we numbered amongst the elect. You know what I'm saying?
Yahweh willing.
Lord will, we is, man. You know, but this is what this edification is for. The hopefully elect. All right, because everybody else ain't gonna get it. You know, and the proof is the scripture you holding. Go ahead and read that.
Ecclesiastes 7, verse 27. Behold, this I found, said the preacher, counting one by one to find out the account.
This King Solomon doing like what you would call a census.
Yeah.
All right.
That's right.
He's doing a census, man.
That's right.
All right.
The wisest king of all. Man.
The wisest king of them all, man. Go ahead.
Which yet my soul seeketh.
Yeah.
But I find not one man among 8,000.
So the wisest king ever say he find not one man. I mean, he find only one man amongst 1,000, man. That's what.
But it says, I have found, but a woman among all things have I not found.
Hey, but a woman he have not found. All right.
Lo, this only have I found, that Yahweh have made man upright.
See, the Lord made man upright. Go ahead.
But they have sought out many inventions.
Many inventions, man. That's why you get all these doctrines from, man. You know, like, something like these missile doctrines, man. All right, we brought it out like months ago and showed you that these nuclear missiles, man, that's a hoax, man. All right, like I said, we brought that out, man, and we showed Israel, man, through the scriptures. All right, that the scriptures ain't referring to no missiles. We showed them what the brimstone referred to. All right, the Lord's missiles, which is those volcanoes. That's right. All right, that's what it's referring to.
And all his elements, man.
All his elements.
Hailstones.
That's right. The tempest.
Also, the people.
God.
People are used as instruments of destruction. All right, because we're an element as well. All right. That was it on that. But the point was, out of 1,000 men, you're gonna find one. So the Lord dealing with a very small sanctuary, man. All right. This thing ain't about numbers. All right. This thing ain't about vain glory, man. It's just about edifying the elect, man. All right, the elect, the hopeful elect.
And having integrity,
man.
That's what
all right? And not seeking vain glory with this thing, man. All right? All you should be looking to get out of this is salvation. All right? Not vain glory, not followers.
God.
All right?
Not likes.
This ain't Drake versus Kanye.
Yeah, this ain't no rap beef. All right? This is the building. This is the building up of the house of the Lord, man. Which is the hopefully elect, man. 144,000. All right, which is that instrument. All right, which is that instrument that the Lord used. All right, going all the way back to what? Moses. All right, going all the way back to even Adam. Adam was an instrument that the Lord used. All right, to do what He needed him to do. All right, start with Adam, and then going down to Noah. Noah built that ark.
That's right.
All right, he was a tool, an instrument, you would say, that the Lord used. All right?
Joshua destroying the Canaanites, man.
Joshua destroying the Canaanites.
That's an instrument, man.
All right? That's an instrument. All right? Moses.
That's right.
All right? And going back to the elect. You know what I'm saying? In Revelation 11, dealing with the woe. All right? It's the second woe. All right? The Lord talks about the elect, the 144,000, being an instrument to thrash the heathens, to bring the plagues upon the earth as often as they will.
And that's violence, man.
That's with violence.
He's going to use violence, man.
All right? So, get that Isaiah 54. We're going to start at the top. And what we're going to establish straight off the bat is Isaiah 54 is dealing with prophecy, man. All right?
Future prophecy.
Future prophecy, man.
It hasn't happened yet.
All right? It's not dealing with history, man.
That's right.
Okay?
That's right.
We're going to establish that first. All right, because we know the spirit of Yahawashi is the spirit of prophecy. All right, but we're going to bring it out and show you that Yahawashi is that smith. Okay, we're going to show you that Yahawashi is that smith, man.
That's what we believe in, the spirit, man.
God.
It's okay, man.
God. Brothers gonna have different of beliefs, man.
That's right, bro.
Different ways in interpreting the scripture.
That's right, bro.
All right? But what we gonna do is what Proverbs 27 and 12 say do. Iron sharpen iron. All right? Going back to us being a metal. All right? That the Lord is forming into what? All right? That gold.
That's right, man.
That silver.
That's right, man.
All right? Fashion our bodies like unto his glorious body. You know?
The Lord said there will be several churches. It's just a church, man.
That's it.
You a church and wherever you from.
All right? But what we can't forget is not to basically offend brothers, man.
Hey, man.
You know, bring out the information, break it down. All right?
In the church of Berea, when you cussed out Paul.
And let the people decide.
That's right. They say search the scriptures.
Yeah, search the script. Let the people decide,
There you
man.
go, Al.
All right? Well, we're not here to change what you believe.
No.
We're here to wake up the hopefully elect.
That's right.
To be an instrument, all right? To be an instrument that the Lord used to wake up the hopefully elect. All right? But with that said, we're going to jump into Isaiah 54. And we're going to show you, like I said, we're going to show you that that's dealing with prophecy. All right? Read from the top,
Sing, on bearing, thou that didst not bear, break forth into singing, and cry aloud.
Referring to the Israelites, go ahead.
Thou didst not travel with child, for more are the children of the desolate than the children of the married wife, said the Lord.
Go ahead.
Come on. Enlarge the place of thy tent, and let them stretch forth the curtains of thy habitations.
Go ahead.
Spare not, lengthen thy cords, and strengthen thy stakes.
Read.
For thou shalt break forth on the right hand and on the left,
Read.
and thy seed shall inherit the Gentiles.
And thy seed shall inherit the Gentiles. All right, so he's speaking of future prophecy.
That's clear, man.
Because we never inherit the Gentiles. We're still under the captivity, what you would call the furnace, all right? Oppression, all right? Of the Gentiles, man. Okay, so this is dealing with future prophecy.
That's right, man.
And that's what we want to establish first, man. All right? We want to establish that first. He said, your seed, all right? This is the prophet Isaiah, all right, speaking to the Israelites, saying, your seed shall inherit the Gentiles, the heathens, all right, the other nations. And we know that haven't happened yet. Now get a precept, Psalms 2 and 8, all right? We're going to show you that Isaiah 54 is dealing with prophecy, all right? Go ahead.
Psalms 2 verse 8.
Yeah.
Ask of me, and I shall give the heathen for thy inheritance.
Ask of him, and he shall give us the heathen for an inheritance. All right? Referring to the elect, man. Okay? And the other nations being in captivity, man, under the rule of his elect, man, Israel. Go ahead.
In the uttermost parts of the earth for thy possession.
For thy possession. All right? That's future prophecy. Okay? Just like the prophet Isaiah was going into read on.
Thou shalt break them with a rod of iron.
Thou shalt break them with the rod of iron, with violence, man. All right? Why? Because the elect of Israel is going to represent that instrument that the Lord is going to bring forth, man, out of the fire, man, out of the coals, man, for his work, man, pursuant to Revelation chapter 11. All right? Read on.
Thou shalt dash them in pieces.
See? The Israelites going to dash the heathens in pieces, man. All right? Future prophecy. That haven't happened yet. Same thing the prophet Isaiah was going into. And to prove it further, let's get another precept. Revelation 2:26. All right? Revelation 2:26. You got something, bro?
Yeah, real quick, a quick one, bro. This is Jeremiah 51, and I'm going to start at 19. The portion of Jacob is not like them, for he is the former of all things, and Israel is the rod of his inheritance.
Oh, just like you said, that rod, man, which we're going to rule the nations with, man, and beat them to pieces with. All right, go ahead.
It says the Lord of hosts is his name. Thou art my battle axe.
What's his name?
The Lord of hosts is of his name.
Oh, man, that's another nation.
The Lord of hosts is his name.
No, that's another nation.
The Lord of hosts is his name. Said, thou art my battle axe and weapons of war. For with thee I will break in pieces the nations.
Just like the prophet Isaiah, just like King David in the book of Psalms just said. Yes. Wow.
It says, and with thee I will destroy kingdoms.
He will destroy kingdoms with the Israelites. Okay?
It says, with thee I will break in pieces the horses and his rider, and with thee I will break in pieces the chariots and his rider.
Now, we got what? How many witnesses that is? 3 so far?
Come.
Let's get another one. Revelation, you still got more on that, bro?
I can stop at 22.
Go ahead.
Verse 22. And with thee also I will break in pieces man and woman, and with thee I will break in pieces old and young.
Why? Because we're a sharp thrashing instrument. All right, go ahead.
And with thee I will break in pieces the young man and the maid.
Come on, man.
And bro, I mean, y'all take time to read this, man. It's plenty meat on this scriptures too, man.
Now let's see what John the Revelator got to say.
Revelation 2, verse 26. And he that overcometh and keep my works unto the end.
And who that's referring to? The elect.
The elect, come.
All right, he say he that overcometh. How do you overcome? You be refined. You go through the furnace. You be restored, bro.
That's that baptism by fire.
Exactly. That's overcoming. All right, go ahead.
To him will I give power over the nations.
See, to him he gonna give power over the nations. All right, the same thing that the brother Isaiah said. All right, the same thing that the brother Jeremiah said.
Come.
Okay, the same thing that King David said. Go ahead,
It says, and he shall rule them with a rod of iron.
And what's that iron? Who gonna be ruling the other nations? Us.
Come on.
So we is that rod of iron. Is that in the red art?
Come on, it's in the red.
That's in the red.
That's in the red.
Read that part again, then.
And he shall rule them with a rod of iron.
Yahawashai gonna rule the nations with a rod of iron. His rod of iron is the elect. It's Israel.
Oh, man,
Okay?
that's a smith, man.
Facts.
Ain't it a material? Okay. As the vessels of a porter shall they be broken to shivers.
Just like King David said, just like Jeremiah said, just like Isaiah said. Go ahead.
As the vessels of a potter shall they be broken to shivers.
Talk about the other nations. And who's gonna be breaking them to shivers? Is it gonna be the Lord himself, or it's gonna be his elect, man? The 144,000, man. All right? Go ahead.
Even as I received of my Father.
That's the point, bro. Now get yeah, man. Israel is that instrument, man. All right, that the Lord is forming, that the Lord is fashioning. All right, that mount that the Lord engraved out. All right, that Israel is the mansions, man.
Come.
That the Lord is preparing as we speak, man.
You said I'm more bold than you, man. That's
Through the Spirit, man.
The mansions, man.
Remember, we still are currently in the furnace of affliction.
Come on, bro.
All right, the elect is still being refined right now.
And only the elect gonna make it out.
That's right.
Right? What that say?
Amos 9, verse 11.
Yeah.
In that day,
Come on.
will I rise up the tabernacle of David that is fallen.
All right, he gonna fashion. All right, he gonna brave out. He gonna refine. He gonna build up the tabernacles of David, man. All right, meaning the elect. Go ahead.
And close up the breaches thereof.
Yeah.
And I will rise up his ruins.
He gonna raise up his ruins. Who are the ruins? The elect, man. Okay, go ahead.
And I will build it as in the days of old.
See, the Lord always referring to building something. Why? Because he's known as the carpenter. He's known as the smith. He's known as the artisan. All right? He's known as the mason. Okay? He's known as a craftsman, the builder, the chief master builder. Okay? Go ahead.
It says that they may possess the remnant of Edom.
See? That they gonna possess the remnant of Edom. That's that rod of iron. Who's gonna rule the nations? The Israelites, people. Okay? Go ahead.
And of all the heathen.
And of all the heathen.
It's
just
clear,
like
man.
you just read, bro. But that's the point. That's the point. That's the point on that. Go back to the house. And start at reading down there. It's close. It's dealing with prophecy. 4.
Verse 4.
Because we proved that,
The Gentiles.
yeah, the first 3 chapters is referring to prophecy, future prophecy. All right? That's not referring to history. All right? We gave you the precepts. Go ahead.
Isaiah 54:4. Fear not, for thou shalt not be ashamed.
I ask this question. Are we in fear now? Yes. That's future prophecy. Are we ashamed right now? Yes. All you got to do is look around you, man. Okay? Go ahead,
You shall want to brother.
Exactly. Come on.
Neither be thou confounded, for thou shalt not be put to shame.
Are we being put to shame right now?
Exactly.
By
Con.
the heathens?
Con.
In our own people.
Con.
Come on. For thou shalt forget the shame of thy youth, and shalt not remember the reproach of the woodhood anymore. Come on. For the Maker is thy husband. The Lord of hosts is his name.
Now, who's the Lord's wife?
Ooh, Israel.
Israel. All right?
Come on.
The ones who's being refined right now. All right, go ahead,
And the Redeemer, the Holy One of Israel.
That's who's going to redeem us. All right? To be refined is a part of being redeemed. Okay? And that's referring to Yahawashai, the Smith. Go ahead.
The Yahweh of the whole earth shall he be called. For the Lord have called these as a woman forsaken and grieved in spirit, and a wife of youth, when thou was refused, said the Yahweh.
Read.
For a small moment have I forsaken thee, but with great mercies will I gather thee. And we in a time of mercy, man.
That's right.
That's what we can tell people that we in. In a little wrath I had hid my face from thee for a moment. But with everlasting kindness will I have mercy on thee, said the Lord of my Redeemer. For this is as the waters of Noah unto me. For as I have sworn the waters of Noah should no more go over the earth, so have I sworn that I would not be wroth with thee, nor rebuke thee.
See, the Lord is still being wroth with us right now. And we are being rebuked. Because we are currently in the furnace of affliction under the Babylon, man.
And that wasn't the time of the disciple because 70 AD happened. Huh?
70 AD
Come
happened.
on, man. Come on, bro. For the mountains shall depart, and the hills be removed. But my kindness shall not depart from thee.
That's the point, like the brother said. Now, if this was referring to
Sweet.
the disciples, all right, that was referring to the apostles, 70 AD wouldn't have happened.
Con.
Okay? Go ahead.
Neither shall the covenant of my peace be removed, said the Lord that have mercy on thee.
Are the Lord showing peace to Israel right now? No. Israel is being terrorized on every side right now, man.
Come on, man. That's if you believe that we Israelites. If you don't, then
Ain't no peace. Come on, brother.
Well, they believe they searched out the heavens, so they can't be Israel, according to Jeremiah 31 and 37.
All right? That's when peace coming, when Shiloh comes. All right? Go ahead.
O thou afflicted, tossed with tempest, and not comforted. Behold, I will lay thy stones with fair colors,
Now, he will lay thy stones with fair colors. Read the rest.
and lie thy foundation with sapphires.
And lie thy foundations with sapphire. And it's clear that we're not in that time right now. All right? And I'm going to show you that. Get Revelation 21. I'm going to show you what that's talking about. That's future prophecy. Revelation 11 and start at 11. He said he going to lay our foundations as precious
Sapphire.
stones.
Come.
Read what you got.
Revelations 11, verse 11.
No, 21 and 11.
21, verse 11.
Yeah.
Revelation 21, 11. Having the glory of Yahweh.
Go up to 9.
And there came unto me one of the 7 angels, which had the 7 vials full of the 7 last plagues. And he carried me away in the spirit.
Okay, this is John the Revelator being carried away by what? The spirit, not a UFO. Okay, not a UFO, but a spirit carried John the Revelator away. Go ahead.
To a great and high mountain.
All right, go ahead.
And showed me the great city.
It showed him the great city. Come on.
The holy Jerusalem.
The holy Jerusalem. meaning the elect. Go ahead.
descending out of heaven from Yahweh.
Come on. And
Having-
not from a UFO, from Yahweh. Come on, read what you got.
Having the glory of Yahweh.
All right, come on.
And her light was like unto stone more precious,
All right, this is future prophecy. This is what Isaiah was talking about. Come on with it.
even like a jasper stone,
Huh?
even like a jasper stone,
Read on.
clear as crystal.
Clear as
Man,
crystal.
they look good, man.
All right.
It's fair. It's beautiful.
Now jump down to 19. All right, 19.
Swing.
19 and 20.
Yeah.
And the foundations
And
of
the-
the wall of the city were garnished with all manner of precious stones.
That's future prophecy, brother. All right? That's what Isaiah was referring to in Isaiah 54. All right? Go ahead.
The first foundation was jasper.
Mm-hmm.
The second sapphire.
You got to read all the stones.
Come on.
You know, yeah.
That's it.
That's the point. Now go back to the Isaiah and read it. That verse he was at when the Lord was when Isaiah was prophesying that the Lord was going to make us precious stones.
Verse 11, 54 and 11. O thou afflicted, tossed with tempest.
And us being afflicted symbolizes us being in the furnace of affliction.
Of affliction, God.
All right.
Which is the baptism by fire.
This whole kingdom is Luciferian. O thou afflicted, tossed with tempest, and not comforted. Behold, I will light thy stones with fair colors.
See,
Revelation.
this revelation, like the brother just read. He gonna lay their foundation with fair colors, man. All types of precious stones. All right, this is symbolizes the kingdom of heaven. All right, and this is what Isaiah is prophesying about.
The kingdom of heaven is righteous people.
Come,
The righteous elect. That's it,
Come.
man.
Come.
Come on. It says, and light thy foundation with sapphire. And I will make thy windows of gates. And the gates. Oh, what's up? Hey, what's up? Okay. It says, and the gates of the carbunacles and all thy waters of pleasant stone.
let's talk about future prophecy, man.
Come.
All right, that's not referring to history, man. All right, all right, come on.
And all thy children shall be taught of the Lord.
All thy children shall be taught the Lord. Now, the state that Israel in right now, is all the children of Israel being taught the Lord? No, they've been taught Islam. They've been taught the American dream, wickedness.
We talked about for men.
Doctrines of devils.
Doctrines of devils. All right, all manner of wickedness, man, they being taught. All right, so this is future prophecy.
All way around.
This is future prophecy. Say all thy children shall be taught of Yahweh. All right, that's not happening right now, man. That's never happened in history. All right, we always went off. All right, one way or another, we always went off, man. That's why the Lord got to come back and fashion us, fashion our vile bodies like He took His glorious body.
God.
All right, because we couldn't do it by ourselves. We always went off. All right, go ahead.
And all thy children shall be taught of the Lord. And great shall be the peace of thy children.
Great shall be the peace of the Israelites. Are we in peace?
Shiloh ain't here yet, bro. Shiloh not here yet.
That's what, hey, going back to that scripture, you gonna read it? 49, I believe, Genesis. He say, peace coming when Shiloh returns. All right? And before he returns, he gonna send his angels. All right? Remember, Matthew 24:31, he's gonna send his angels, those minister spirits, man, to gather his elect. All right? This is future prophecy, and I advise you, brothers. You know, like I say, the hopefully elect, all right, all the sincere arguments, all right, the sincere argument, that's sincere about the truth. Read this chapter, man. Read it slow, man. Take your time, man. All right, get the precepts, man, and you'll see that this is future prophecy, man. That's what we're establishing off the bat, man. That Isaiah 54 is dealing with prophecy, man. It's not dealing with history, man. Okay, we proved it through the precepts. All right, that brother saying the same thing that the brother John the Baptist is saying. All right, he's saying the same thing King David said. We What you got,
This is Genesis 49 and 10. The scepter shall not depart from Judah,
Yeah.
nor a lawgiver from between his feet, until Shiloh come,
Yeah.
and until him, I said, until him shall the gathering of the people be.
That's what we're going to be gathered, man.
Until him.
Unto him. That's right, God.
All right.
Peace.
God.
That's right,
All right?
Okay.
So that haven't happened yet, man.
Come on, man.
So this is future prophecy, man. All right?
That's what we got faith in.
Come.
It says, in righteousness shall thou be established.
In righteousness, we're going to be established, man.
He said the people of righteousness.
God.
That's the kingdom.
That's the kingdom.
God.
All right? In righteousness, man. Come on.
Thou shalt be far from oppression.
Now, that's the question. Now, are we currently in oppression, man? We've been oppressed by the so-called white man right now.
All over the earth, man.
All right? He said we're going to be far from oppression.
Can you tell your woman what to do? Nope.
Far
Can you
from
tell your
oppression.
kids what to do? Nope. They open it. Come on, man. Your mama open it. Come on, bro.
And most of all, the so-called, the heathen over. Start with the so-called white man. He don't want to establish that foundation for that type of madness to go on.
God.
But it's all through the spirit of Yahawashai. That's part of that furnace. That's part of that furnace of affliction, man.
That's right.
All right? And only the elect going to come through that furnace on the other side refined, meaning restored, bro.
That's right.
All right? Meaning restored. Okay? Go ahead.
For thou shalt not fear, and from terror.
Now I ask the question, are we in fear? Yes. Yes, man. Israel is in fear, man. Fear of losing your job. All right? In fear of being homeless. In fear of getting sick and dying. All right? In fear of getting stopped by the police and get shot. In fear of your own people, some crazy nigga killing you. Okay?
Brothers in the truth, man, cussing you out.
Come on, bro.
Bring it out, bro. Being disrespectful to brothers, man.
God.
Come on, bro. We in captivity, man. Shabbat, man. For it shall not come near thee. They're still coming near us, bro. I don't know about you guys.
Have you conscious of what's going on around you? All right? Israel is oppressed. But the prophet Isaiah said, when this take place, oppression not going to come near you. And we currently oppressed.
That's right.
Come on, man.
Still in captivity.
See what you got, huh?
Behold, they shall surely gather together, but not by me.
That's future prophecy because the heathens are gathered together by the Lord right now. That's why they got the power over us, man. When you read Ezekiel 37, all right, the Lord said He gonna put that spirit on those nations to come up and try to take a spoil from the elect, man. Okay? So the Lord said they gonna gather together, but not by Him. Go ahead.
Whosoever shall gather together against thee shall fall for thy sake.
Referring to the heathens, whosoever shall gather. Why? Because the Lord not going to be with the heathen in that day, man.
That's right.
He's not going to be with the heathen in that day.
Verse 16 is going to show you why we're not going to fall.
Gone.
It's going to show you why we're not going to fall, man. Behold, I have created the smith. Why would the Lord say that the heathen's not going to come? I ain't seen them. Well, He's going to create them in the next verse. He's going to create them in the next verse, man. But you hear what you see
Valid point.
simplicity,
Valid point. Valid point. That's a valid point. All right? Like I said, you got to read this chapter slow, man.
Not with hate and malice, man.
Not with hate and malice.
And not trying to twist. We don't want to. We're not trying to get nobody from your people.
Right,
We
come.
want to teach the truth, man.
Come.
God damn.
Yeah,
bro.
God, that's all it's about.
Damn, bro.
Like we said, to edify the hopefully elect. All right? We hope a tool, an instrument that the Lord used, all right, to help build His elect.
A lot
That's
of you
all.
guys want to be GMS 2.0.
They already GMS
A lot of you guys
2.0.
want to be GMS 2.0, man. You know
Yeah.
what the spirit is. Behold, I have created the smith that blows the coals in the fire, and that bringeth forth an instrument for His work.
And like I say, hey, we are the instrument.
That's right, huh?
We are the instrument, man.
That's right.
For the Lord works, man. And what's the Lord works right now? To build up the hopefully elect.
And it's
All right.
okay. That's what teachers of truth believe. It's
God.
okay. That's what we believe.
We believe what the scriptures say, man.
That's what we believe, bro. And I have created the waster to destroy.
All right, and that's the controversial verse. But we established, all right, that this is referring to future prophecy. All right, from the beginning of the chapter, from the top of the chapter, all the way to verse 16. All right, that's plain, man. Now let's get a piece of Isaiah 48 and 4. Let's see what it say. All right, we're gonna jump right into it, man. We just wanted to establish that was referring to prophecy, man. That chapter. All right.
Isaiah 48 verse 4.
Yep.
Because I knew that thou art abstained, and thy neck is thy iron salute, and thou grown grass.
The Lord referring to us as what? Metals. All right? Metals. All right? So the Lord say Israel's neck is iron, salute. All right? And they brow is brass, man. All right? Go ahead.
I have even from the beginning declared it to thee, before it came to pass. I showed it thee. These thou shalt say.
Jump down to 9.
Isaiah 48 verse 9. For my name's sake, when I defer my anger.
See? Go ahead.
And for my praise, will I refrain from thee,
Go ahead.
that I cut thee not off.
Yeah, he said I will refrain from you. Go ahead.
Behold, I have refined thee.
I will have refined thee. All right, this is the Lord saying, behold, I, referring to the Lord, saying he has refined the Israelites. You can look at that word refined right there. I don't know if you with the sword. If you ain't, I just get it. Yeah, that word refined right there. Let's see what it says. In 9 and 10. I think it's verse 10.
Refined, right?
Yeah, that word refined.
Okay, it's refined in the Strong's 86884.
Let's see.
A primitive use, metal,
Metals
that is refined,
that is refined.
literally or figuratively. Goldsmith, melt, purge, founder, refiner,
Refiner. Do it say restore?
restore.
No. Do it say restore, man?
Yes. No, it's not. No, it isn't.
Hey.
That's it, bro. That's it.
All
Founder.
right, so the Lord is those metals, man. I mean, the elect is those metals, man. And the Lord is the smith, man. All right, so the Lord, go back to the 48 and 10. Let's see what it say. Let's see what it say.
Oh, man. Whoa, man.
Behold,
I,
who is the I in this verse? The Lord.
the Lord,
Come on.
Smith,
Come on.
refine thee.
Will refine thee. All right, we know that refine is talking to metal, talking about metal.
Right.
All right, come on.
But not with silver. Hold on. So that's silver. That silver is a metal.
It's a
But
metal
this is a metaphor for what?
for the elect. That's all I'm saying. For Israel.
Hey, man, you don't go, man.
No, we're gonna bring it
Okay.
out. We gotta bring it out.
Okay,
Because we gotta edify the whole elect.
all right.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. I say, let's do it. I have chosen thee.
The elect.
Come on. In the furnace.
What? In the what?
In the furnace.
In the furnace.